So hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about how to create your table in SQL and how to create a database and how to insert data. So for that, first of all, what we will need to go to our, we have to install our mysql workbench and just open it. And after opening it, like you will have this like we have already created a demo root like our connection. So I just go to my connection and just type my password, and this is my dashboard where we have to do like SQL workbench dashboard. Now here we have to create our tables and our database. Like we already have certain databases here, like 1 2 3 databases are already there, and now we will create a new database. So what is database? So database is a structured collection of data that is organized in a way that allow for efficient storage, retrieval, management of information. It consists of tables, like we will create tables inside this database, and are used to store data in structured way, where each table is made up of rows and columns. Like inside a database we will create a table which have rows and column. So it is a container. So database is a container that holds collection of tables, view, storage, procedures and other database objects. So SQL database is used in wide range of applications, from small personal project to large enterprise systems even use them. They are commonly used for managing customer information, inventory data, financial records and other type of structured data. Some example of popular SQL databases are like mysql, like we are using, beside that Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL and SQLite. So now we will start and create a database first. So to create database, we will write here create database, and we will give some name, like we will give ABC is our name of our database. So I will give a name ABC and just I will select it and run this. So if it shows here your green tick, so it's mean like we are able to create our database. If it's red, that means like we are not able to make, there is some problem with the data. Next is we have to use this database. So we will type use database, use, and I will type ABC here, and then I will use the database. So now if I will go here in schema, and above this this button refresh, this is basically a refresh button. So we will find our ABC database here, and here we can create our table. So to create table, we have to type the function of create. So how you can create it, so just see it. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to create a table here. So to create a table, I will create an employee table inside this. So I will type here create, I will type here create table, and then I will give it a name employee, and open bracket here. First of all, we will take our employee ID. I will put it ID only, EMP ID, and we will give it an integer, and then after that I will put here like what type of value we will have. So first of all, I will make it not null and unique. So like it should be unique here. So I will select it from here and unique. Next I will put comma. So this is my first column. So employee ID is the first column, but is integer, not null and unique. Next is like I will put the first name. and here I will put varchar. So it should be var character. I will click over this and I will suggest the number of characters it can contain, and then I will just copy this and put it here, and here I will put last name. So here I will put 20. I think 20 is okay. So I will put 20 number of alphabets it can take. Then last is we will put salary here. Salary, and it should be in decimal. So decimal, like we can have a salary like it can be up to 10, and 2 is the decimal points it can have. And then finally we close this table, and then we will execute this. So after executing, like it works, and we have created a table. And if you want to see the table, if you will go here, or either we can and double click over here. I will refresh this first, then I have this employee table here. Now if I will click over this, select start from table, so it will show us employee ID, first name, last name, and salary. Like these are our column names. And now if you want to put some data inside them, so to put a data, we have to write down the name of the column first, like insert into. So I will just remove it and write insert into name of my table, employee, and then I will give bracket open. First of all is our employee ID, so I will put employee ID here. Then is your first name, I will put here first name, comma, then I will put last name, and then I will put salary. So this way we will inform system like these are our column where we have to put data, and then I will type values. So I have to put values here, and values will be start from here. I will put 1, like our employee ID is 1, then our name should be like, it should be inside your comma, inverted commas. Mahesh is the name first, then I will put like his last name, Mahesh Kumar. Then what is salary, then I will put some salary here, like I will put 45,000, and just close this. Then I will take the second one. So here we have to put a comma also, so I will put a comma here. So I will put 2 values here. Here I will put 2. Reena, whatever name you can type, and here we will put some salary, and just close this, and at the end we have to push this. And now we select this and run this. So if it's work, it means like we are able to put 2 values in our table. Now if you want to see, again I will go this to our table and select start from employees. So it will show like we already have put 2 data. The other way to put data is like we can directly click here and put 3 here, and here I will put another name, and here we will put some salary, and just put apply here and apply here. So this way we can also put the data and can close our table. So that's all in this video, how to create a table in SQL and how to insert in data.